Please or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me who is not feeling good. Harsh, are you getting better? Karthik, Anushri.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. सर लाइक ऐसा हो रहा है कि एक स्टोरी अच्छी जा रही है, एक स्टोरी खराब जा रही है, फिर एक स्टोरी अच्छी
तुमने
जा
आज
रही
बहुत
है.
बकवास लिखी थी.
Yes,
यस
sir. I
सर,
am also
सेम
facing
सर,
the
वही
same
हो रहा है.
situation, sir.
It will take time. थोड़ा सा टाइम.
Yes, sir.
It will
Sir,
take some time तो देना चाहिए ना. Should give some time. So
sir,
don't worry.
sometimes I become totally blank, sir. If I see the story, I don't get any idea like how to.
स्टोरी देखनी नहीं आपको पिक्चर देखना है.
Yes, sir. Picture देख के ही.
पिक्चर
Yes,
से
sir.
ही
I am also
आइडिया
facing
आएगा.
the
पिक्चर
same
से ही
situation,
आइडिया
sir.
आएगा. मैं देखो अभी हम करेंगे तीनों को. कितना जल्दी जल्दी आइडिया आएगा आपको. आप अप्लाई करो उसको. CMDAPT इज द
The same
बेस्ट.
happening with me.
हाँ.
Sir, I did not get the review of my stories. That
Repost it.
सर जैसे आज जो
yes.
एक स्टोरी थी वो डेथ वाली.
करते हैं अभी डिस्कस करते हैं. रुक जाओ उसको शो करेंगे ना फिर
हाँ
डिस्कस.
हाँ
Any other issue? See, you get to give some time. Now you see, you write your story. First, you write whatever comes. Let it come as it comes. Don't bother. Don't fear कि अच्छा नहीं जाएगा तो क्या होगा. नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा. Doesn't matter. You just write whatever comes to you. ठीक है. Then after that you read other people's stories and you see, oh, this could have been then. Then you read the remarks on that. तो आपका अपने आप चार्ज होगा माइंड. अच्छा ऐसे सोच सकते थे, ऐसे सोच सकते थे. So it will be slow but good process. आया समझ में? Chameshwar, why are you not writing Chameshwar? Prince, you are also not writing. Why are you guys not writing story? Huh? Chameshwar, can you hear me? Prince, can you hear me? बोलोगे कुछ?
Yes, sir.
नहीं. Where is your stories? Where is story?
Sir, actually, I write every day after the class, sir. So yesterday I've written it. So today I'll be writing in
So
after the
where
class,
did
sir.
you post it in the group?
Yes, sir. Yesterday I
Okay.
posted two
Okay.
stories.
Okay. And Chameshwar, can you hear me? Chameshwar, क्या चक्कर है ये? हम्म? ये सुन रहे हैं नहीं सुन रहे हैं समझ
सर
में नहीं
वो
आ रहा है.
कहीं बाहर है शायद, तो फिर उसका आवाज आएगा. ही टेक्स्टेड यस सर.
अच्छा. Look at this.
सर हिज माइक इज नॉट वर्किंग.
Okay, fine. Look at this picture. Everyone, many of you have written brilliant stories on this, but let me clear certain doubts which people might have had. आपको खुद ही समझ में आने लगेगा कि मैं क्या गलती कर रहा हूँ. बेसिक मिस्टेक्स होती हैं उसी में गड़बड़ा जाता है मैटर. अमित, who is the one who joined today? What's your name? Amit. Amit, have you joined? Today you joined. That Amit. Amit, can you hear me?
सर ही
Sir,
लेफ्ट.
he left.
Amit, can you hear me? Achha, he came and left, is it?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Amit, are you there in the class by any chance? No, no. No. Okay. Okay. So, guys, you can see this picture on your screen.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's go by the basics. Who is the central character here?
The man.
The man,
The
sir.
boy.
The man.
Because he's holding the action, am I correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is his mood?
In a hurry.
Somewhat
In a,
tense.
in a hurry for responding to something as told by this lady. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He's inside the house or outside the house?
So inside,
He is
Inside.
inside the house.
house.
Sir, he was inside and he was going outside.
Yes. You can see the tree.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
tree can always be outside the house only. It's a big tree, so maybe he's on second floor or something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So some of you, I don't remember the names, have written as if he is outside the house and entering the house. Who is that?
Sir, I written.
Name बताओ.
I wrote it, sir. Initially.
मैंने लिखा था ना मिसिंग द डिटेल्स. किसका था वो? कालेश्वरन तुम्हारा था?
सर मेरा था सर अभिषेक.
अभिषेक तुम्हारा था? किसी को और का लिखा था मैंने मिसिंग द डिटेल्स. कैसे? हाउ कैन यू मिस दिस बिग डिटेल?
सर आफ्टर राइटिंग आई रियलाइज्ड दैट हाँ मैंने गलती कर दी.
यार एक वो मूवी थी ना सुपर 30, उसमें वो बोलता है ना इतना गलत कैसे हो सकते हो बे.
सॉरी सर.
Yes.
हाँ
सर कभी कभी होता है सर जब स्टोरी.
नहीं, कभी भी नहीं होना चाहिए. ये तो बेसिक चीज है.
नहीं
सर
सर
पर
जब
कमरे का जो दरवाजा है वो अंदर की तरफ खुलना चाहिए ना, यहाँ बाहर की तरफ.
या तू पेड़ को कैसे डिनाई कर सकता है? तू कमरे के दरवाजे पे जा रहा है, तेरे को पेड़ नहीं दिख रहा है.
सर मैंने लेडी को देखा वो अंदर से ऐसे दरवाजा खोले, मैंने ऐसे सोच के ये वो लिख दिया.
तो जो भी कहे पेड़ डिनाई कर सकते हैं हम, ये बता.
यस सर.
कैन यू इग्नोर द पेड़?
नो सर.
फिर बात ही करने की जरूरत नहीं. कमरे का दरवाजा कहाँ खुल रहा है? कोई मतलब बसता है क्या उसका?
हाँ सर.
क्या वो खिड़की है? हाँ.
यस सर.
क्या उसके बाहर पेड़ है? हाँ. तो इसमें डिनाइल क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
यस सर.
आया समझ में?
जी सर.
तो इतना गलत कैसे हो सकते हो बे?
आई लॉक डाउन.
इतना बड़ा मतलब एलिफेंट इन द रूम मिस हो गया. राहुल गांधी बनते जा रहे हो तुम सब. हैं? इतना गलत कैसे हो सकते हो? हाउ कैन यू बी सो रॉन्ग? कुछ भी बोल देता है कि वो बंदी फिर सामने आ जाती है, बोलती नहीं मैं तो नहीं हूँ, मेरा तो इलेक्शन कार्ड ठीक है. So he is responding to some emergency, right? It can be a neighbor, it can be a own sister or whatever, but she is calm and in response to that he rushes out and probably a medical emergency. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Some injury, something, as people have written similar lines. में अच्छा लिखा है लोगों ने, बहुत अच्छा लिखा है. So any doubts anyone now tell?
Sir,
मेडिकल इमरजेंसी के अलावा कोई और प्लॉट अगर आप सजेस्ट करेंगे जैसे.
मेरे को तो देखो, मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, 1 person 1 theme only. तो मैं तो दूसरा सोच ही नहीं पाऊंगा. आज सोचो.
Sir, I have written something else.
हाँ, please go ahead. But what is the remark first?
Actually, you didn't review that.
So then go ahead. Then tell me what is the theme only. What is the theme you have?
Okay, so I made this girl in the main character. She is somewhat. Main character is the girl,
Okay.
and she is a teacher in a village. और वो extra class वगैरह लेती है. तो this student didn't came to the class, तो वो उसके घर जाती है to know what had happened to him.
ये जो तुम्हें बंदा दिख रहा है, ये स्टूडेंट लग रहा है उसका?
So,
ये
but I
बंदे
think
की
she is
क्या
like
एज लग रही है तुमको?
something 16-17.
इतना गलत कैसे हो सकते हो बे? देखो तो जरा, बताओ भाई इसकी एज कितनी?
23. sir.
22 to 24 सर. 19-20 से 21 के बीच में. दाढ़ी वाड़ी आई नहीं है सर.
नीचे भी हो सकता है.
ये शेयर हो सकता है भाई.
कैसे हो सकते हो? मैं कॉल देती. हाँ जी. तुम एक बात बताओ पायल, तुम बोल रही थी ना अभी,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कौन सी ऐसी टीचर है जो मान लिया मैंने कि स्टूडेंट है फॉर द टाइम बीइंग, कौन सी ऐसी टीचर है जो स्टूडेंट से मिलने घर जाती है चूंकि वो घर नहीं आ रहा है, स्कूल नहीं आ रहा है? बताओ जरा मुझे, बताओ.
So sometimes it happens ना गाँव में.
रियली गाँव है ये?
So I proceed like this. Okay.
आप देखो कितनी चीजें मिस कर रहे हो. दिस मैन इज नॉट लेस देन, I don't know, you guys might say 16, 17, but look at his body structure and all. He's a grown-up man, so you can't say that he is less than, let's say, I think 25, 26,
25.
24. He's a working professional, 100%. तो स्टूडेंट तो है ही नहीं. समझ रही हो पायल?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बेसिक चीज गड़बड़ करोगे तो स्टोरी नहीं बन पाएगी. You cannot make a good product with bad ingredients, right?
Yes, sir.
तो बेसिक्स में आप गड़बड़ कर दोगी तो फिर कहोगी सर स्टोरी नहीं बन रहा. तुम ही बोल रही थी ना अभी. अब बताओ कैसे बनेगा? बेसिक ही गड़बड़ा दी तुम. कि इसका हैंड्स का साइज देखो, ये हेयर स्टाइल देखो, इसका है ना, मेकअप देखो. यू कैन वेरी वेल मेक आउट ही इज अ ग्रोन अप. ही इज अ वेल डेवलप्ड jawline also, you can see, right? And if you say that she is a teacher, again I'm actually there's no point, but still I'm trying to show you something. Look at her footwear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये हवाई चप्पल पहन के पढ़ाने जाती है.
No, sir.
तो कैसे? इसका मतलब देखो तुम ध्यान नहीं दे रही हो.
सर मैंने आपने मेरी स्टोरी रिव्यू करी है, बट आई अज्यूम्ड हर टू बी जैसे बुआ है और घर आई है एंड ही इज जस्ट रशिंग टू ग्रीट हर.
वो पर्सनल सी स्टोरी बन रही है, खराब नहीं है, बट और ग्रीट वाला मोड नहीं दिख रहा है इसका. जो फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस देखोगे ना,
यस सर.
रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू इमरजेंसी वाला ज्यादा है, और ग्रीटिंग वाला वो स्माइल और ये बुआ आई है वो हाथ मिला के, और इसका चेहरे का जो बुआ का एक्सप्रेशन है, पहले तो बुआ लग नहीं रही है, इससे यंग ही लग रही है मेरे को.
यस सर.
है ना?
यस सर. सर पर मतलब उसके चेहरे पे ऐसा इमरजेंसी वाला नहीं लग रहा, लड़के को देख के तो
क्यों
लग
नहीं?
रहा है.
नहीं लग रहा है, हवाइयां उड़ी हुई है उसकी.
यस सर.
Excuse me, sir.
और दूसरा, मैंने तुमको कितनी बार समझाया, पर्सनल स्टोरी मत बनाओ मेरे भाइयों.
यस सर.
Why are you making personal stories?
सब बट जैसे
Personal story में क्या होगा? I'm always
Sir.
remember this word that my story should be purposeful
यस सर.
as far as possible.
Sir, but-
Personal में purposeful story बनती है.
सर जैसे इसमें मेरे लिए
इमरजेंसी
इमरजेंसी अज्यूम करना काफी मुश्किल हो रहा, मतलब मैंने अज्यूम ही नहीं करा वैसे, मतलब मेरे दिमाग में
आपको एज्यूम करना ही नहीं है, आपको उसके हाव भाव से पकड़ना है. आपको एज्यूम कुछ करना ही नहीं. Why are you assuming?
यस सर.
What is your source?
यस सर.
Excuse me,
The
sir.
picture is the source. Whatever picture
भाई रुक
says,
जा.
you have to follow. आप अपने दिमाग से लिखोगे तो यही होगा. आप
Yes, sir.
एज्यूम करके लिखोगे तो यही होगा.
ओके सर.
Have you understood the point?
यस सर.
I hope no more discussion on this. Now this picture, some of you have written really good, but let's understand the picture first. So obviously there is one person, so he is the hero, there is no doubt about it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mood, since he is going with some purpose, so you'll always call ki positive and purposeful, right? Something he is going to search or something, ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Details में you see a cannon, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What kind of cannon is it?
Old cannons.
It's old cans. An old artillery cannon.
Somebody is making story on military exercise and all. भाई ये antique piece है, ये military exercise वाला cannon नहीं है. हम basic detail फिर गड़बड़ा दिए. Antique piece है ये. क्या ये military exercise वाला ये Bofors gun जैसा लग रहा है तुम्हें?
No, sir.
It is an old cannon.
सर एक डाउट था इस पे, मैंने ही लिखा था वो मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज.
एक मिनट रुक. ये हो गया. अब और क्या डिटेल दिख रही है तुम्हें? ये desert है, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it a desert?
Yes, sir.
Now some of you are writing it is a fort. I don't know how this confusion is coming. Where is the fort? साथ साथ दिख रहा है desert, उसके footprints दिखा रखे हैं. It is obviously obvious it is desert. How can you say it is a fort? Fort ऐसा होता है, desert जैसा? कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं हो रहा, हमको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा क्या लिंक बना दिए तुम लोग। हाँ, तो डिटेल्स ये है। Then age, you can give any age, up to you. You can't see him actually. So let's say he's 25, professional लग रहा है तो. Maybe he's archaeologist, right?
So,
That profession will suit this. Maybe the what else can it be? Can be I don't know. Apart from that, tourism related something profession can come. Whatever comes to mind is okay. उसके अलावा मुझे कुछ और दिख नहीं रहा इसमें, बट आपको कुछ लग रहा है तो बताइए कोई और प्रोफेशन।
सर दो डाउट्स है मेरे, कैन आई स्पीक प्लीज?
हाँ, एक मिनट रुक जाओ। ये हो गया, क्लियर हो गया पिक्चर?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
पिक्चर में कोई एम्बिग्यूटी है नहीं?
Okay.
ठीक है। तो ये बंदा ऐसा लग रहा है कि इस कैनन को देखने के बाद आगे कहीं जा रहा है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ये चीज डन हो गया। अब आगे चलो, बताओ हु वाज हैविंग द डाउट, गो अहेड।
तो मी हर्षल।
हाँ, गो अहेड।
सर तो पहला डाउट है कि जैसे सर जो पिक्चर दिखाई जा रही है उसे हमें प्रेजेंट टी टाइम में लेना है, लेट्स से कि मतलब आई वांट टू से कि 2025 में लेना है, कि सिर्फ हमें पिक्चर को लेना है और वो किसी भी टाइम की हो सकती है?
नहीं, आज इट इज द
आज,
मोमेंट, इट्स द मोमेंट दैट हैज बीन कैप्चर्ड एज इफ टुडे।
ओके सर। एंड सर
आज
सेकंड
के
वन
बाद।
इज, ठीक है सर, सेकंड वन इज कि जैसे आपने बोला कि ये एंटीक पीस है, इट कुड बी अ एंटीक पीस क्योंकि
It
ऐसे
could be
टाइम
नहीं,
लगे।
it could be नहीं, it is।
अच्छा सर, तो जैसे सर डेजर्ट में रखी है तो मैंने ये देखा इसके टायर थोड़े से सबमर्ज्ड है और सैंड ड्यून्स हर 12 से 16 घंटे में सर, क्योंकि विंड बहुत तेज चलती है तो चेंज हो जाता है। और अगर एंटीक है तो फिर मतलब ये टफ किसी फ्लैट प्लेटफॉर्म पे, या इट शुड बी समवेयर लाइक दिस सर। ये डेजर्ट में ही रखा है एंटीक पीस, तो इसका थोड़ा सा रिलेट
नहीं,
नहीं
आपको क्या लग रहा है कि डेजर्ट नहीं है?
नहीं डेजर्ट है सर, लेकिन
हाँ, फिर?
डेजर्ट में एंटीक पीस रखने का
और
Logic
डेजर्ट में एंटीक पीस मिलने का इन एक्सकेवेशन हो सकता है?
हो सकता है सर, बिल्कुल हो
तो आप
सकता है।
सोच नहीं रहे हो। आप देखो, बेसिक्स को डिवाइड करके सोचोगे तो गड़बड़ाएगा। बेसिक्स को एक्सेप्ट कर लो, हाँ डेजर्ट है, हाँ ये
Desert
एंटीक
है।
पीस है, डेजर्ट भी है, एंटीक पीस भी है, तो फिर है तो सही। आप ये तो नहीं कह सकते कि नहीं है ना?
नहीं सर एंटीक पीस तो क्लिक ही नहीं हुआ एकदम भी।
एंटीक तो ये देखो ना, कैनन ऐसा आप मॉडर्न आपने क्या मॉडर्न आपने ये गन नहीं देखे आर्टिलरी के?
सर देखे वो टायर्स लगे रहते हैं और
टायर
छोटे
लगा
टायर्स
रहता है,
होते हैं।
मैकेनाइज्ड है ना? No,
Mechanized होता है।
now it is
Yes, sir.
called mechanized artillery. It is not artillery, it is mechanized. So ये तो पहले घोड़े के पीछे बांध के दौड़ाते थे ना इसको।
यस सर।
तो समझ ये थी, anyone can make out it, simple barrel gun, पीछे से लोड करेंगे, फायर देंगे और ये आगे जाके मैक्सिमम 500 मीटर पे फूट जाएगा। तो आप बेसिक्स को हर्षल डिनाई मत करो, एनीवन प्लीज।
जी सर।
It is like you changing the question paper and then answering it. There is no point ना। जो प्राप्त है वो पर्याप्त है, जो प्राप्त है वो पर्याप्त है, जो आपको पिक्चर दी गई है वो more than enough है for you to generate ideas. You just have to think and follow the process. So suppose he's an archaeologist, probably he was given this site, कि please do there is some remnant something. While excavating, he came across this cannon and then he's very excited, and then probably he also got a feeling going by the size and the direction of the cannon that probably there is one more cannon on the other side and he's going in that direction for his further search. Something on that line, right?
Yes sir.
Anybody else who has made any other thought process? Tell me any other doubts, please tell me.
Sir, one more on this only. I have written something else, but is it like if let's say you were saying that stimuli should be there, let's say here would be
This is the stimulus.
Yes sir, a
But
stimulus.
the picture is the stimulus.
Yes sir. Let's say there would be a mechanized cannon and I'm writing on a wall. So as you said previously that story shouldn't be revolve around SSB. So I didn't write on war, I write on a conflict. So is it like wise to go with that?
नहीं वॉर आप 2025 में ऐसे कैनन से वॉर करते हैं?
नहीं सर, मैकेनाइज्ड होता तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्या हम दिखा
होता की
सकते?
बात नहीं होता तो सीन ही अलग होता।
अच्छा नहीं
आप अलग पिक्चर इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते हो माइंड में।
ये सर नहीं सर, एक मेरा जनरल डाउट है कि मतलब क्या
नहीं
अगर
जो
मुझे
होता है
ऐसा
उसके ऊपर, जैसा होता है उसके ऊपर बनता है। अभी आप ये मत कहो कि होता तो क्या होता, ऐसा होगा तो अकॉर्डिंगली आपके विचार भी वैसे ही आएंगे, ठीक है ना?
यस सर, आई विल
वो अपने आप होगा, अपने आप वो हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना? एनीबडी एल्स, एनी डाउट्स? एनीबडी एल्स, एनी डाउट्स?
तो जैसे मैंने ऐसा बताया था कि ये एएसआई का वो जूनियर रिसर्चर है और इसको गांव वालों से पता चला कि यहाँ पे
हाँ बहुत अच्छा जाएगा वो।
हाँ ना, ओके
मैंने क्या लिखा उस पे?
सर वो आपने चेक नहीं किया था एक्चुअली।
अभी कर लेंगे, don't worry.
हाँ
Anyone, any doubts on this? See, what all the pictures that you're doing are really tough pictures. They're not easy pictures. And you all are doing good, let me tell you, majority of you. Keep pressing, and slowly you'll get very comfortable. And those who are not writing, you're making a huge mistake, I'm telling you. If you do not flow with this,
Sir,
you'll be late. It's very important that you flow. Keep writing, keep observing, keep analyzing, keep thinking. अभी कर लोगे माइंड क्लीन हो जाएगा, नहीं करोगे तुम्हारी मर्जी, मैं वो कुछ नहीं बोलना फिर। हाँ बोलो, somebody was saying something.
Sir, actually, I didn't get any idea from this picture, sir. Like, I felt like something like out of zone because I can't give any profession to him, like other than archaeologist or something. Those who work like excavating things. So that only idea came, sir.
So that is the only idea you give one person, one idea only here. Why you want many ideas? I've been telling you, harping upon this, guys. One person, one picture, one idea. Have I not been telling you?
Yes, sir.
The definition of your perception itself is clear. The sense of an idea. You can make only one sense of an idea. Who was asking this question? Just now, who asked the question? I'm not getting idea. Who is that?
Kaliswaran it was, sir.
Kalicharan. Kalishwaran. Kalishwaran, where have you disappeared? कहाँ गया?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am in class only, sir. So can you hear me?
Kalishwaran, there can be only one idea for one person, for one picture.
Hello.
Is it clear to you? Network is
Sir,
not good.
yes, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Just a minute. If you got one idea of archaeologist, it's very good. Okay? Understood? Go ahead. Who had the doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I met like he is a solo traveler. Okay, so he came with one community, one means traveling community, and he discovered this place, and he is about to tell others that this is the antique piece and this exists here also. So there were many like few children were there. So he told all them that you can see a kind of thing. It is generating in my mind.
Who is speaking?
Tejaswini.
Tejashwini. What do you understand by solo traveler? What kind of a person does solo traveling? First, you explain this to me.
No, sir, not solo traveling, but he was just exploring himself that he can join any another community, go with him, go with that community, and
That is
they
solo
were.
traveling. That is solo traveling. So, what do you mean by that?
Uh, that's what I'm not getting any conclusion of this story in my mind. Because I thought this story.
I'm asking you a simple question. What do you understand by solo traveler? Solo traveling means
Solo
what?
traveling means you go solo. Uh,
What kind of
without
people go solo?
lonely people, I think.
Frustrated, angry,
Hmm.
friendless.
No, but that
आप
was
ये
not
चीज
more.
मत यूज करो कि कभी भी सोलो
Okay.
ट्रैवलिंग को पॉजिटिवली मत देखो. इट्स अ नेगेटिव थिंग.
Okay.
ठीक है? सोलो ट्रैवलिंग
Yes.
को आप अगर एक्सप्लोरिंग का जामा पहनाओगे ना, वो पहने साइकोलॉजिस्ट नहीं मानेगा. पहली
Okay.
बात ये. दूसरी बात impractical है. You are bringing so many people from outside. I told you in the side briefing, write the story
Hmm.
around the character shown in the picture. I told you this, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Let's talk about this person. Why?
Mm-hmm.
What happened? Why is he here? First of all, there has to be a purpose,
Yeah.
right? And what is he
Yes.
doing now? Where is he going? There has to be a reason. And
Mm.
what happens later? बस इतना ही रखो simple.
Okay, sir. Yes.
So guys, solo traveling अगर आप लोग सोच रहे हैं कि बहुत बढ़िया चीज है, तो please clear your mind. It is a sick thing. Hey, any other picture was there? There was one more picture, right?
Sir,
This one. This one everyone has written good. I don't have anything to say. Any doubts?
So
so you have marked my picture for discussion.
Please read your story, please.
Sure, sir. Just a second, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, go ahead.
Raghav, a 23 years old boy hailing from Himachal Pradesh, who works as a sales representative in Shimla. His father, who was suffering from lung cancer stage 4, passed away this evening. The doctor tried to console him. He's both stunned and scared from the demise of his father, and now responsibility of his mother and his sister are on his shoulder. He worked effectively to gain more incentives and also started a secondary source of income from a
Now
fruit
stop
stall.
now.
Yes, sir.
Stop here. What has happened is कि there was a story in which somebody very close to him has died, right?
Yes, sir.
But you shifted the focus of the story to earning money.
Yes.
So what has happened is कि the story has moved away from the picture.
Mhm.
Have you understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Story has to be around this. कि someone close to him is not there anymore. There is a doctor who is consoling him, and after that, what all he will do? How will he, respond to that situation? How will he overcome it? But what has happened? You created one more situation that was financial,
Mhm.
and you're writing about that now. Understood the
Mhm.
point? That is why I said you've shifted the focus.
Yes, sir. So, what modification could be made here if, let's
Just
say,
talk
like
about this. Just talk about this picture. That's all.
it was his
What has
father?
happened? It was father, or if you want to keep it
Uh,
better, keep it grandfather or something, very old person, and
mhm.
around that you make. Then what has happened? Then how he handles this situation? What all things he will do? What all process he will follow? How he'll take care of the other people around him? And how will he remember him in his memories and all that?
Mhm.
That's all. That's all. No, don't shift the focus.
Okay, sir.
so what I did was कि मतलब मैंने अज्यूम करा कि वो अपने भाई के मतलब वो अकेला नहीं है, अपने भाई के साथ दादा का ध्यान रखना है।
कहाँ है
भाई
भाई?
सर दवाई लेने
कहाँ है
गया
भाई?
है, दवाई लेने
कहाँ
गया
है
टाइम
भाई? कहाँ है? नहीं, पिक्चर में कहाँ है?
नहीं है सर, पिक्चर में तो नहीं है।
मैं वही तो बता रहा हूँ ना आपको। साइकोलॉजिस्ट क्या बोल रहा है? साइकोलॉजिस्ट की राय हमेशा याद रखो। राइट द स्टोरी अराउंड द कैरेक्टर शोन इन द पिक्चर।
सर बट अकेला तो नहीं होगा वो दादा का ध्यान रखने
यार
वाला।
होगा नहीं होगा की बात नहीं है ना।
यस सर,
What is your stimulus? This picture, right?
यस सर,
So what is psychologist telling you? Write the story around the character shown in the picture. Where is the ambiguity now?
यस सर,
अकेला नहीं होगा मतलब क्या होता है? कई लोग अकेले होते हैं। कौन बोल रहा है ये बात?
सर अनिकेत सर।
अनिकेत बहुत लोग अकेले होते हैं भाई, तेरे जैसे नहीं है सब।
यस सर, ओके सर।
तो पिक्चर की बात करना तो शिफ्ट कर दे रहा है फोकस फट से।
यस सर।
जरूरत भी नहीं है। कोई जरूरत है? अच्छा बता भाई की जरूरत है कोई?
नो सर।
अच्छा हमारा आज का एजेंडा है दोस्तों। आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू अ पीपीटी पिक्चर राइट नाउ। यू हैव टू राइट योर पिक्चर द स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम। आई विल टाइम आउट and then you have to do the narration part first and then we will see how it progresses. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
How will you narrate? You have to speak like this. You have to describe the picture. You describe the picture only in PPT and for narration, not for writing, right? है ना? याद है ना? You describe the picture only while narrating, right? And you don't write. Story remains the same, but while narrating, you describe the picture. याद है ना सबको?
Yes, sir.
sir.
So I will just remind you how you have to narrate, and you have to switch on your video for narration. Okay. So be ready. Background, whatever.
Oh, hello.
How will you narrate from this picture? I hope you guys can note down also. From this picture, I perceive whatever characters, three characters, two characters, whatever. A central character is a male, mood positive, he is 24 years. ठीक है? Or negative, whatever. ठीक है? Other characters, female, mood negative, age 23 years, whatever. ठीक है? The action of my story is basically the theme of the story. And after that, you will narrate the story. याद रहेगा ये?
Yes, sir.
Those who are going for the first time, like Harsham, just wait and listen to others, you'll get the idea. But write the story. I'm going to share the picture now and you be ready. Everyone, are you ready? Should I share the picture
Yes,
in the
sir.
group? No. You wait.
Yes,
I
sir.
will flash it on the screen. So don't look at the group. I'll flash on the screen. Okay. Wait one, wait one, wait one, wait one, wait one. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Okay.
PPDT. हाँ हाँ हाँ, मत कर। PPDT है। पहले नहीं था, पहले रिव्यू हो रहा था स्टोरीज का।
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, start. Box बनाने वाला part you will skip for the timing. You just write the story. Okay. Hello. Fine, I'm in the class. Yeah. Okay, no problem. What is the plan मतलब? What is the agenda अभी? मतलब कुछ plan होगा ना? There must be something planned for you. Meant? Hmm. 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 और admin deputy देख. हाँ, it's on there writing something. Help me. Just 1 minute time. 3, 4. हाँ. और बता. कोई बात नहीं. या अभी तो मैं बहुत ही बिजी हूँ, पापा का हॉस्पिटल, दिस दैट, एंड टोटली जैम्ड अप। ठीक है, ही इज रिकवरिंग वेल, मे बी दे विल ऑपरेट हिज नी। देखते हैं। लेट्स सी यार, लेट्स सी गॉड्स केस। चल ठीक है, आई कॉल यू, बाय। Okay, everyone is written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is ready? Everyone is ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Payal. Start.
Start.
Yeah.
From the given picture, I have perceived a group of people. The main character of my story is Roshan. He is a
थोड़ा जोश टाइप. Good morning, gentlemen. From this picture, I perceive थोड़ा जोश ला.
morning everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived a group of team. My main character is Roshan, who is an NDRF officer in a positive mood. Age is around 25, and other also in a positive mood. One day he got the news that in the Uttarkashi there is a cloud burst, and because of that many people have suffered from that. He along with his team made the plan, divided the group in two parts, and reached on the place.
Excellent. Shabash. Prince. Prince, go ahead. Prince, can you hear me? Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Just a second. I will switch on my video.
Who is ready? Please switch on quickly. Don't waste time. Prince, go ahead.
Sir, Ramesh, 21-year-old BSc student of second.
Good morning, young man. From this picture, I perceive.
Okay. Good morning, gentlemen. I perceive one kind.
From this picture,
From this picture, I perceived a Vedic farm where the student trip is
from
organized.
this picture, I perceive several characters.
Okay, sir. From this picture, I perceive several characters, and the action of my story is
And my
organizing.
central character is a man,
And-
age 24 years old, mood positive.
And my central character age is 23 and mood positive, and the action of my story is organizing a trip to the Vedic farm. So Ramesh, 21 years old, 23 years old, is a BSc student where he is assigned a task of organizing a trip to the Vedic farm in his second year. So he taking the charge also he calls also tells to a few of the classmates to help him in the organization of the task. Then he further deploys other two the students with the task of assigning NOC to the students as well.
No, okay, fine. But juice type. I will not say anything about the story as yet, but juice, थोड़ा juice, energy के साथ, energy का vibration create करो, aura create करो अपना.
Okay.
समझ आ रहा है?
ठीक है sir.
Juice type. Next time. Aditya, whoever is ready, please don't waste time. Quickly, keep coming.
So can I?
Yeah, go ahead. I'll tell the name. Next is Harshal, next is Anushri, next is Aniket, next is Ashish. Go ahead, Aditya.
So, good morning, gentlemen. From the picture, I perceived my main character is.
Hot juice, ढीला नहीं.
Good morning, gentlemen. From the picture, I perceived
Good
my
morning,
main character.
gentlemen. From this picture, I perceive. Just step out.
Good morning, gentlemen. From this picture, I perceived my main character is 25 years of age, male, and
What do
a
you
neutral mode.
perceive? My main character is 25 years. I perceive. What did you perceive? I perceive a group of people.
Yes, sir. I perceived a group of people, and my main character is 25 years of age, and mode is neutral, and the action of my story is fixing of pothole. So the story goes like Suresh. He's a BBMP senior engineer, and one day he received a complaint on Shivaji Road that the pothole has been filled with a lot of water due to the recent rainwater, and because of this, the public was facing a lot of problems. And after he went
Look in the
visited the
camera. Speak confidently. Energy खत्म हो रही धीरे धीरे. जो continue रखो ना उसको. Maintain करो.
Yes, sir. So after he visited the site, he saw that the pothole is in very worse condition. So
Look in
he
the camera.
contacted. Yes, sir. So he contacted the contractor and took
जोश
strict
एकदम
action.
ढीला है. ठीक है. I got the story. जोश ढीला है भाई. एनर्जी लेके आ. एनर्जी लेके आ. चेहरे पे वाइब्रेशन चाहिए. ठीक है. हर्षल go ahead.
So he contacted the constructor.
Aditya over.
Just a second, my mic is not working. Just a second.
You're audible. Go ahead.
Sorry, sir. Camera. Actually,
No problem. Take your time. Kaleshwaran, go ahead. Okay. Anushree, you go ahead. You switch off your mic, Darshan, for the time being. Anushree, yeah.
sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
Switch off your-
From the picture, good morning, everyone. From the picture, I have perceived one character of positive mode of 24 years old. The action of my story will be reconstructing the bridge. Ravi, a 24-year-old civil engineer trainee, was being posted in the rural area for inspection of the small bridge. Upon reaching, he have found that the bridge has been collapsed. He immediately contacted the district disaster management
ठीक है.
response and
Anushree, I got the story. It can be more impactful. It can be more impactful. थोड़ा और vibration. Harshal, go ahead.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning, gentlemen. The central character of my story is Simon, who is a conservative. Good morning, gentlemen. I
From this
perceive from the
picture, I
picture
perceive-
from this picture I perceive it's a garden near Kerala.
From
in-
this picture, I perceive how many characters?
Okay, sir, character. From this picture,
Look
I
in the
perceive there is a single traveler and a conservatist, named Simon from Maharashtra. He visited the Kerala. In Kerala, near Ashtamudi Lake, there is a garden which has been inaugurated this year only for the sake of the conservation of the mangroves, which depicts a larger part of conserving the biodiversity as per Indian mission. So what he sees that there are halophytes as well, that how they help to clean the oceans. There are also a lagoon.
Lot of fumbling. It only shows clarity of thought is missing. Are you getting my point? Fumble
Yes,
हो रहा है बार-बार. ऐसे नहीं आना चाहिए. एकदम flawless narration आना चाहिए.
Short.
Good morning, everyone. From this picture, I perceive a group of characters. My central character is Simon, who is whatever. One day when he was, actually, story is always one day. It is an incident. It is an event. Do not make it a long-term event कि एक साल से ऐसा कुछ conservation चल रहा है. It
Sure.
is an event. One day when he was traveling through whatever, and this has happened, and then flawless. So when you write the story, Harshal, rewind the story. You'll get a break about 10-15 minutes. So once you have written the story, don't do anything. Keep running that story in your mind. Keep running it. So that it goes and sits on your subconscious very nicely and it comes out flawlessly. Okay? This is
Sure, sir.
now practice this with every picture.
Sure, sir.
It is okay. It can come very quickly. Not much time will take.
Sure.
Aniket, go ahead.
So, good morning, gentlemen. From the pictures, I have perceived a group of characters. The main character of my story is Aniket, a male, age 23 years old, and mood positive. The action of my story is reconstruction of broken village bridge. Aniket was a civil engineer working at Adani Buildings.
Very good. Excellent. Kaleshwaran, go ahead.
Sir, from the picture, I perceive there are a group of. Sir, shall I start?
Yeah.
Sir, from the picture, I perceive there are a group of people, and my action of my story is repairing the potholes after the flood, sir. Ramesh, a 24-year-old engineering final year student, and he is from Kanyakumari. He observed there is a huge heavy rainfall in his village, and the road was washed away. And he directly called the people around his villages, and
Kalishwaran, if there is some lag between what you speak and the way it comes, so there is some mic issue minor that you corrected. But secondly, energy, more vibration. On the face, I want to see more vibration. Change your look. Do not keep beard and all. Take a very nice short haircut like a Fauji. And make it a habit to look like that. You know, it will subconsciously start helping you to achieve your goal also. Do not look shabby like this, you know, it's not the right way. But it was good. Otherwise, narration was good. Story is quite correlable. But something you need to do with the internet or mic, there is a lag, slight lag. Okay? More energy on the face. I got it. Next, who is there? Go ahead, please. Okay, wait. Ashish, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good morning, gentlemen. From the given picture, I have perceived a group of characters. My central character is Ram, 25-year-old, posted as SI.
Monotony है, थोड़ा vibration लाओ, जोश लाओ. I can't see your face. I don't know why. Where is your camera? हाँ, now, थोड़ा और ऊपर.
ये फिर गिर जाएगा.
अच्छा ठीक है चलो.
हाँ. Good morning, gentlemen. From the given picture, I have perceived a group of characters. My central character is Ram, 25-year-old.
Monotonous, very monotonous. Keep pauses. Good morning, gentlemen. From this picture, I perceive. Juice flow, throw juice flow.
Okay. Good morning, gentlemen. From the given picture, I have perceived a group of characters. My central character is Ram, 25-year-old, posted as SI in CRPF in the Bastar region. One day, the action of my story is reconstructing of the critical road. One day, upon a regular village visit, Ram with his engineering corps noticed that there's a huge pothole in the critical road which
Okay,
was constructed.
Ashish, that's all. Monotonous है voice. Vibration की कमी है. Change
Okay.
your appearance also.
Okay,
And
sir.
speak with more energy.
Okay,
Next
sir.
time.
Okay, sir.
Muskan, go ahead. Muskan, Tejashwini, Harsh, Manvendra, Abhi, and Sai. Be ready. Muskan, are you there? Okay, Manvendra, go ahead.
Good evening, gentlemen. From the picture, I perceive 10 to 15 characters,
Don't
and
rush, don't
they
rush.
move.
It's coming out good. थोड़ा easy, थोड़ा easy. इतना fast, थोड़ा slow.
Good evening, gentlemen. From the given picture, I perceive 10 to 15 characters. The mood is positive, and my main character is Manish, a 25-year-old boy, and my action of the story is renovation of the village road. Manish, a 25-year-old young teacher, living in a village, gets to know about that due to heavy rains.
Manvendra, very good. थोड़ा जल्दी मत बोल. तू अभी डिस्कशन में ऐसी तेज बोलेगा. थोड़ा सा pause, थोड़ा slow करना है. बाकियों को fast करना है तो थोड़ा सा one notch slow.
Okay.
Narration में तो you can be even more slower. ठीक है?
Like speed slow करनी है, फिर आवाज slow करनी है.
Speed, आवाज दम सब बढ़िया है. Everything is good. Story भी relatable है. But fast जा रहा है तो ऐसे आराम से थोड़ा. Narration में you have all the time. You have the whole attention also. तो इसमें ज़्यादा खास ध्यान देने की जरूरत नहीं. ठीक है? Understood?
Okay.
Good otherwise. Everything good. Next, who is there? Tell me जल्दी. मुस्कान, तेजस्विनी, हर्ष, अभी कौन रेडी है? मुस्कान, हाँ, go ahead. नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है तेरा. नेटवर्क इशू है. नेटवर्क इशू है.
I'm audible, sir.
हाँ.
Good evening, everyone. From the picture, I have perceived several characters. My central character is Varun, around the age of 24. My action is recreating park. My story goes like this: Ramesh, our student of horticulture, in which was living near there was a park, but it was not in a sitting position.
Okay.
So he have an idea to recreating.
ओके मुस्कान, एक तो इंटरनेट ठीक कर अपना. दूसरा, बहुत सारा ब्रेक्स आ रहा है. Practice more. Try to practice this narration on every picture you do. ठीक है?
You are not audible to me.
I am saying your getting stuck a lot. There is a lot of fumbling. Practice speaking this on every picture. Okay? Secondly, your internet is not good, unfortunately.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
इंटरनेट थोड़ा ठीक कर, जो टाइप बोल, अटक मत, and practice narration on all the stories. ठीक है? I will see it again. ठीक है? Tejashwini, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone.
Where is the video?
Wait, I will. Yeah. Yes. Good morning, everyone. From this picture, I perceived that there is something disaster happened.
From this picture, I perceive so many characters. My central character is so and so. The action of my story is so and so.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. From this picture, I perceived 5 characters, and by action, by central.
बहुत अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट लुक आ रहा है, एकदम जोश नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को. सब दबा देंगे तेरे को ग्रुप में. क्या कर रही है तू? जोश टाइप बोल. कॉन्फिडेंट नरेशन.
Yes. So from this picture, I perceived that there are 5 characters, and my central character is Samir, who is 24 years old, and he is posted as a civil engineer in disaster management team. So when they are doing the survey of the village, as there were very huge rainfall in the village, they saw that there is one huge bridge broke.
Story is good. नरेशन में प्रैक्टिस मोर कम अक्रॉस. जैसे तू देखती है ना कि फौजी लड़कियां जो लेफ्टिनेंट साहब, कैप्टन साहब जो मार्च कर रही है ना, वैसी एनर्जी के साथ बात करने का.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
Next time I want to see that. And practice a lot. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Your body language and the way you communicate is very important factor in PPDT. Understand this. ठीक है? Come across as a bold, confident person, able to express very vividly and clearly. ठीक है? There shouldn't be any ambiguity in that. ठीक है? Harsh, you go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good evening, gentlemen. I have perceived 10 to 15 characters of his group 24 to 25, and the central actor of my story is Ram, age 25, and he is a BSc second year student. Ram, along with his friends, have planned a visit to the Kerala, for which they have booked the tickets and booked the hotels. On missing the tickets, it was a late night, so they have gone to the nearby place for the for working, and sure, I'm not right completely.
And
मेरे को तो complete
you're
समझ में
getting stuck a lot. Overconfidence का थोड़ा सा शीट मुझे दिखा नरेशन में भी. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. थोड़ा सा confident shade. You should be clear what you're speaking. Power of expression, I'll explain you. It is a very small OLQ, but clarity of thought is what defines your power of expression, not the ease of expression. English is not the matter. Clarity of thought is the matter. बात करेंगे इस पे. Practice, more practice. ठीक है? Who is left now? Next. कौन है? देवराज, go ahead.
Friends, from the picture, I perceive a group of young people. My central character is male, 24-year-old, whose mood is positive. My action of story is rescuing people from landslide. On getting the information of landslide on Coco Island in Andaman Nicobar, Amit, a NDRF leader, decided to launch a rescue mission. So he gathered and motivated them.
Devraj, you're a naval sailor or what?
Yes, sir. I'm a naval sailor.
I got it. That's why I said Coco Island. It came out well, but as you might have also realized, थोड़ा सा और refinement can be there. Little more practice in this part, Devraj, you can do everything with every picture. And I'm not seeing any of your stories. Why is that?
Sir, I was quite busy because of facing problem in my unit of getting leave. So I have quite.
Where are you? Where are you posted?
So I am posted currently Andaman, sir.
अरे अंडमान तो बहुत बड़ा है. मैं भी अंडमान में रहूं. कहाँ
Yes,
है?
sir. Fort
where? Which unit? Ship or?
Ship.
Diglyport में तो Coast Guard का base है.
Yes, sir. I'm in Coast Guard.
You're from Coast Guard. Okay, you're
Yes,
a Coast Guard. तो तेरे को क्या time नहीं मिल रहा है बे? अट्टे मार रहा है.
Sir, not sir, but people engage me at the same time in multiple things, and they're.
बकवास मत कर. find time and invest. ठीक है?
Yes,
Don't
sir.
take it easy.
Yes, sir.
Fact and don't give excuses. टाइम नहीं है. ये वो रोने वाले जितने होते हैं ना सब यही बात करते रहते टाइम नहीं टाइम नहीं. ये सेलर मेंटालिटी यही है. टाइम निकालना पड़ता है.
Yes, sir.
Come out of this mindset.
Yes, sir.
Write all your stories, post it. ठीक है चल भाई.
Yes, sir.
कार्तिक go ahead. कार्तिक अंकित कार्तिक अंकित अनुष साईं अभी धीरज फटाफट जल्दी.
Wait, sir.
चल कार्तिक जल्दी जल्दी कर कार्तिक.
In my picture, there are multiple characters between the age group of 24 to 25. After 24 was my main character.
कार्तिक easy rush मत कर. Easy go slow आराम से.
No, sir.
Some internet issue is there. Either we are not getting it correctly or you are running it fast. थोड़ा correct कर उसको. Correct करके दोबारा. Correct करके rejoin. Correct करके reattempt. Ankit, you go ahead. Just 1
Okay,
minute.
sir. Good morning,
Just 1 minute. Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Karthik, can you hear me? What is your height and weight?
Yes.
What is your height and weight, Karthik?
My height is 8 inches.
तू कितना जल्दी बोल रहा था नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम है. नेटवर्क ठीक कर फिर बात करेंगे. अंकित, you go ahead.
Okay, sir. Good morning, gentlemen. From the given picture, I have perceived a group of people, age 25 to 30 years old. My central character is a male of 25-year-old. My story goes like this. So, Aman, 25-year-old, newly appointed DM of Darjeeling district. The recent hailstorm and landslide has destroyed a critical road in his town. So he went into inspection along with his team. He saw that the villagers are using a bamboo-made bridge for their travel. So which was very.
Ankit, go. You're from which place, Ankit?
Sir, West Bengal, sir. Kolkata.
The typical Bengali
Kolkata, sir.
tone. Typical Bengali tone, but you can't do anything about it. Let it be there. Speak with a lot of energy and enthusiasm, which is seen on the face. थोड़ा voice में भी लिखिए. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
very good. And I could make your story also. So who is next? Sai, go ahead. Sai. Dheeraj, you are ready, I think. Dheeraj, okay. Sai, you wait. Dheeraj, you go ahead. Sai, hold.
Yes, everyone, from the picture I have perceived multiple characters. Age group lies between 22 to 25 years and mood positive. Vinay is my central character. Action of my story is going to a trip with friends. Vinay 23 work as a software engineer in Wipro, decided to go to a trip with his friends during his project break. He discussed with his friends, analyzed the place, and also check the availability of all his friends.
Story is not correlated, but ठीक है, as it is. बहुत monotonous tone है धीरज, और energy है ही नहीं.
Yes, sir.
You're from which place, धीरज?
Sir, I am from Uttarakhand.
यार तू सही बात कर यार, पहाड़ियों की तरह कैसे कर रहा है तू? और ऐसे बोलता है, तू पता है ऐसे. No pause, nothing, no जोश, no energy, no vibration. ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? तेरे को impress करना, इस 1 मिनट में तेरे को impress कर देना है. It matters a lot. Narration is as good as 20% of your screening. और narration अपने हाथ में साला दम से दिखाने का उसमें.
Yes, sir.
वो पहला impression वही पड़ेगा तेरा. First impression is your narration. Make it the best. So practice, lot of practice, no monotony in the voice. If there is an accent, that doesn't matter. Accent will be there because Indians speak English in a various accents. That's okay. Vibration, energy, जोश, monotonous line एक तरह से नहीं बोलना है. Pauses कहाँ देने हैं, है ना? Pauses कहाँ पे रुकना है, कहाँ पे full stop करना है, कैसे उसको vibrate करना है, थोड़ा कर इसको. समझ में आया?
Yes.
Who is ready? Anush, go ahead. Anush,
So can I
start
read?
with Anush. हाँ.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture shown to us, I have pursued a group of people. Aman is my main character. Mood positive, age 22, mood positive. Aman during his vacation had come back to his hometown. One early morning, he with his cousins and local friends decided to play cricket. While looking for a place around the surroundings, they came. He notices that there was so much of dust, garbage, and plastics in the surrounding.
हाँ, ठीक है, but rest everything is fine. Good. यही टोन, यही एनर्जी मेंटेन करने का. Rest everything is
So you're
good.
saying the
Story
story
is
was
slightly
not.
off track. Story is slightly off
I
track.
felt
We'll
this.
discuss it later. Avatansh. Mic off है तेरा.
Not. Good evening, everyone. What I perceive from the picture is a team of fire department officer. My central character named Rajiv, age 24 years.
सुना तो ले क्या? Speak with
Good
Josh.
evening, everyone.
This is your
Good
chance.
evening,
It's like you're auditioning. You so suppose you're auditioning for the role, right? So that is only 1 minute you got, right? Understanding, Avatansh?
Yes, sir.
It's like you're auditioning for it. There are people who are watching you, and they're going to give you marks on that performance. Take it that way. Take it that seriously, okay? Put it best. More energy, more josh. ठीक है, चलो. Go ahead. पूरा कैमरा ही घुमा दिया तूने. चल राजशेखर तू शुरू हो जा. Rajshekhar, Rajiv, be ready.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Gentlemen, from the picture, I have perceived several characters. The central character of my story is a male, 22 years old, in a positive mood. Action of my story is to organize scouting event.
थोड़ा और energy. हाँ. Go on. अच्छा.
So Raman is a 22-year-old B.Ed pursuing candidate from RBS College, Agra. He was the head of scouting
में
event.
B.Ed क्यों होता है? B.Ed कर रहा है
Sir.
तू?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा open कर, mind open कर. चल हाँ.
So he was the head of the scouting event in his college. So he decided to organize an event in his park of the college.
No, बकवास. Story ठीक नहीं है, but बाकी सब ठीक है. थोड़ा और energy, थोड़ा और smile, ठीक है? Otherwise things are good, ठीक है? कौन रह गया अभी? कौन रह गया? राजीव, go ahead.
So am I audible, sir?
Yeah. Visible नहीं है तो.
So am I visible, sir?
No. Now you're visible. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. So good evening, everyone. In the given picture, I perceived a group of characters. The central character of my story is Rohan, a 25-year-old male, working as a young intern in the Archaeological Survey of India. One day during his internship, he got an opportunity to write a thesis on the ancient architecture of the Chola dynasty. He got really thrilled upon this opportunity and also volunteered to be the team lead of this whole project. So soon after the
थोड़ा सा sunken सा face लग रहा है, dull सा, थोड़ा energy
so
लेके आ.
actually
और
the light source is at the back.
story का तो कुछ लेना देना नहीं तेरे picture से. छोड़ दो. But otherwise good. Sir. Nice. थोड़ा it can be better. Sai, go ahead. Sai.
Yes, sir. Am I audible and visible?
Not visible. Audible, yes. Now you're visible. Yeah, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. In this picture, I perceived a main character, the 23-year-old named Rohit, a civil engineering student. His mood is positive. While visiting a nearby village, he noticed that a part of the forest side a road had a cracked in, and some trees were damaged, indicating a soil erosion and a possible.
Story is good. Narration is very bad. You're from which place?
I'm from Maharashtra, Pune.
महाराष्ट्र से बाहर निकल, थोड़ा जोशता है पूरी एनर्जी से. कहाँ अटक रही इतनी अंग्रेजी में? कब तेरा एसएसबी? एसएसबी कब है?
In December 20.
What time है? More than enough time.
Yeah, it's my
English
first attempt, sir.
So what? Doesn't matter. First attempt or last attempt or doesn't matter. It is an attempt. अंग्रेजी टुक 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 ऐसे चल रही है. नॉलेज आनी चाहिए, जोश टाइप.
Yes, sir.
शेक्सपियर की तरह नहीं बोलना है, शशि थरूर की तरह नहीं बोलना है, बोलना साईं की तरह ही और जोश टाइप बोलना है. अटक रही है, बहुत अटक रही है. You need to do a lot of practice and lot of practice and lot of practice. My advice, guys, use this group to create a PPT practice whenever you want. Anyone can take the lead on your own. ठीक है? Do that part also separately. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Anyone can take the lead. प्रैक्टिस करो. प्रैक्टिस से चीजें ऐसे चेंज होती हैं. हफ्ते में तो अलग तरीके से बोलने लगेगी अगर दिल से प्रैक्टिस करेगी तो तो जो लोग मैं पॉइंट आउट कर रहा हूँ, आप लोग खुद से एक मीटिंग लिंक बनाओ, 9 बजे क्लास है, 8 बजे जुड़ जाओ, 8 बजे से प्रैक्टिस करो 1 घंटा, क्या दिक्कत है? प्रॉब्लम है कोई? कुछ नहीं, नरेशन प्रैक्टिस करो, उसके बाद डिस्कशन प्रैक्टिस करो, करो इसको, शुरू करो अभी, ठीक है? कल से पक्का डन। चलो ठीक है, अभी आर्यन जल्दी करो, हाँ अभी गो ahead.
Good evening, gentlemen. From this picture, I perceive 5 main characters, and my main character is Ram, a 24-year-old guy traveling with his friends for a short trip. While traveling, they notice that the road is broken.
लेट बैक है, वाइब्रेट कर, थोड़ा आगे आ, जोश टाइप, लेट बैक, ऐसे जैसे सोता बोल रहा है।
Yes, sir.
जोश टाइप बोल।
Yes. While traveling with their friends, they notice
While
that
traveling with the friends, राम ऐसे एनर्जी के साथ आ।
Yes. While traveling with their friends, Ram noticed that the road is broken and.
और जोश।
Yes, sir. Okay. While traveling with their friends, they noticed that the road is broken, and with the help of the villagers, they asked that whether the other route is possible to take a turn.
ठीक है, स्टोरी इज आल्सो गुड, वेरी गुड। और एनर्जी चाहिए, कौन रह गया भाई? जल्दी बताओ, आर्यन गो अहेड।
Sir, I'm visible.
Yeah, go ahead.
From this picture, I perceive group of characters. My central character is Ram. His age is 24-year-old male. He's in positive mood. Ram and his friends saw a crack road on the main side of the village. He is a club member in a youth club member in his village. He and his friend informed the NDRF and the administrative departments of the village and try to manage the chaos by using several signboards.
Good. Change your appearance. How much is your eyesight?
Sir, 3 -3.
-3। चश्मा का फ्रेम थोड़ा मॉडर्न टाइप ले ले, ठीक है? और ये दाढ़ी वाड़ी हटा, बाल वाल कट कर, फौजी लुक में आ, ठीक है? और अच्छा बोला तूने, अच्छा बोला, एनर्जी अच्छी थी, थोड़ा सा रिफाइनमेंट, लिटिल मोर प्रैक्टिस, इट कैन गेट मोर रिफाइंड, इट कैन गेट मोर पॉलिश्ड, अदरवाइज इट्स गुड। स्टोरी भी ठीक है। चलो नेक्स्ट, कौन रह गया? कार्तिक। Karthik, I think you are left. Michael,
Can I
you are
start,
left.
sir?
Michael, be ready. हाँ, Karthik, now you're clear. Go ahead.
So good morning, gentlemen. In the given picture, I perceive multiple characters between the age group of 24 to 25. Aman 24, positive is my main character. So my action of the story is going to vacation with his friends.
Very monotonous. Flat.
Okay, sir.
Shows lack of confidence in belief. Go OLQ wise. Confidence belief system. इसका इशू आ रहा है, क्यों? एनर्जी के साथ वाइब्रेट करके बोलना।
Okay, sir.
कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा, वाइब्रेशन अपने आप आएगा। मीन कहाँ कस जाएगा? कॉन्फिडेंस, सेल्फ बिलीफ, सेल्फ डाउट वहां जाएगा। आ रहा है बात समझ में?
Yes, sir.
स्टोरी का कोई लिंक नहीं तेरे पिक्चर से। यू आर जस्ट यूरोप वेकेशन बना रखा है तूने। बट आगे क्या है? आगे का मैंने नहीं सुना।
सर वेकेशन के ऊपर ही है पूरी।
अच्छा, आगे वो रोड टूटी थी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है?
सर मैं लैपटॉप में कर रहा था तो मेरे को कनेक्शन की वजह से ढंग से दिखा नहीं फिर।
कोई बात छोड़ दे, कोई बात नहीं, अभी और करेंगे। अभी we'll do lot of PPRD practice.
Yes, sir.
Anita madam will join. She will do this only.
Okay, sir.
Anita madam जब शुरू करेंगी ना, I think I will tell her to start from
Sir,
tomorrow day
what
after
changes I
Wednesday.
need to do?
She will do only this part only with you guys, and she will make you speak a lot. Don't worry.
Okay.
But तेरा height and weight क्या है?
सर मेरा वेट 85 है और हाइट 6 फीट 4 है।
थोड़ा 2-3 किलो कम हो सकता है, चेहरे पे भी आ गया। SSB कब है?
सर PSB मेरा 10th of December।
बहुत टाइम है, वजन कम करो, 5 किलो कम करो कम से कम।
यस सर।
हैं? खाने से वजन का ज्यादा लिंक है। दौड़ना भागना तो करना ही है। खाना एकदम कम टू ब्लैंड डाइट, रिड्यूस 6 to 7 kgs, लुक मोर फिट, ये अंदर घुसना चाहिए, ठीक है? दाढ़ी वाड़ी हटाओ, ठीक है? तब पता चलेगा कि चेहरा मोटा कितना हुआ है, कि भी छुपा रखा है तुमने, ठीक है?
सही बचपन से ही ऐसा है।
वजन कम करो, तुम कहानी मत सुनाओगे, ठीक है? 85 किलो है, उसको 75 पे लेके आओ। चलो
सर 85 लास्ट टाइम था सर, 3 to 4 months पहले। अब मैंने
अभी 90 हो गया,
कम हो गया होगा सर आई थिंक।
ठीक है? जो भी है,
Yes,
I think in my opinion you can lose 4-5 kg, that will make you a better appearance, ठीक है?
Sir, how can I improve my narration, sir?
Don't what was the observation? I forgot. Flat था क्या एकदम?
What sir?
कैसा था? फ्लैट था नरेशन? क्या बोला मैंने?
monotonous.
Monotonous. Flat है. Flat matlab you have to give pauses. More practice will help. So as I'm telling you, Anita will also do. I will speak to her when she is going to. But you guys create your own Google Meet link. Any one of you can take the lead.
Okay.
And do this practice here in this group only, beyond the class, at whatever suitable time, and correct each other. Correct each other. जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ वैसे आप भी बोल सकते हैं. आपको समझ में आ गया कैसा चाहिए, आप उसको यूज
Yes, sir.
कीजिए, एक दूसरे की हेल्प कीजिए, धीरे धीरे आ जाएगा. ये these are the things which can be acquired. These are trainable, acquirable skills. There's nothing great in it. Only thing is the effort has to be required in that direction. A sincere, hardworking effort. You'll find a lot of change in 2 to 3 to 4 days. It's possible. ठीक है?
ठीक है, sir. Thank you, sir.
More
Sir, can I-
practice. And
sir, can I-
all pictures you can do. Any picture. It can be TAT picture. Discussion can be that also. Narration can be on that picture also. Narration improve होगा, discussion भी improve हो जाएगा अपने आप. ठीक है? Michael, go ahead quickly. I think we are done. Michael, go ahead.
So, am I visible, sir?
Yeah, you're visible. Go ahead.
A very good morning, gentlemen. This is Michael. And in this picture, I pursued 4 characters. And I want to make Rohan, a 22-year-old, the main character, and the mood is positive. He is an NCC cadet. While traveling through the village road, noticed a section of the road is bridged out. And he called up the village people, realizing it might cause a danger to the vehicles and disaster management team too. Meanwhile, he blocked the road using the stones. And he called all his other
Very
partners.
good, Michael. Very good. थोड़ा और vibration, थोड़ा और energy. But story is also good, and everything is good. Change your appearance, as I told you. Start looking like a Fauji from today itself. ठीक है? Aditi, go ahead.
So,
Aditi.
Good morning, everyone. From the picture, I have perceived several characters, with Ram being my central character. The action of my story is a trip to a local historical site. One fine day, a group of visitors visited the local historical site. On their way, as Ram was taking them, he encountered that the road was broken. Since he was a localite, he
I got
already
it.
knew
Aditi,
the
very
alternate
good,
route.
very good. Everything very good. So all visual. You guys see, this can be the model narration. You guys can follow this. You guys noticed, everyone? ठीक है? Aditi, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Who is left?
Sir,
Who is
can I
left?
try again? One more time, just.
Who
Sir,
is
I-
up to? यार अब
Pradeep
तो
Sonal.
यही try कर. हाँ, Deepan Satan, you. I have to
Sir,
do the
from this
discussion
picture,
part. हाँ.
from this picture, I perceived several character. My center character is Rahul, 24-year-old, working. While he returning from his work, suddenly he saw that the road he is coming is got damaged due to heavy rain. So he quickly stopped his vehicle and um, marking the road with a stone to stop vehicle and evacuated the people who stuck there in this flood.
ठीक
And
है,
also,
story is okay, Deepan Satan, but you can realize lot of practice is needed. If you speak like this, you won't be able to get screened in. You're from Odisha, right?
no sir, Bengal.
Bengal. When is your SSB?
Sir, 2nd February.
What time है? Use it. You can use it very wisely. Speak freely. Try to bring a lot of energy in your voice and try to remove these inhibitions which are holding you back from speaking English, probably, as I guess. Use this platform. Use other such platforms. Try your best. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
बोलना पड़ेगा, नहीं बोलेगा तो देख मैं बता रहा हूँ. With due respect to the language of Bengal and Rabindranath Tagore and everyone, English is the language of SSB. There is no scale, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Practice, practice. ठीक है, story is good. And why are you not writing stories, by the way?
Sir, I was sir busy, sir. Exam चल रहा है.
कहानी मत सुना मेरे को, story लिख, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. I think everyone has done once at least. Anyone left for first time? No one? Na? ठीक है. Now we will start the discussion on this picture. I'm going to tell you the names. Just discuss for 5 minutes, then the other set of 15. This is just a trial PPDT round for you. So I'll just see how you're participating in the discussion. I'm going to tell the names. So Aryan, Abhi, Aditi, Michael, Karthik, Deepashantan, Harshal, Rajiv, Rajshekhar, Avatansh, Anush Shetty, धीरज, अंकित एंड देवराज। सबको याद हो गया नाम?
Yes, sir.
These guys will speak, others will not speak in this first round of discussion. Please switch on your videos quickly.
Sir, can we take the name of the participants?
No. Acha, while addressing, yeah, do that. Go ahead. Everyone, switch on your video quickly. Aditi, Michael, जिस जिसका मैंने नाम बोला था अपना अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए. Aditi, Michael, I think Harshal was also there. Who all? Right. You all are ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1, start.
So friends, the picture as
Gentlemen,
was
we have
taken
taken
a main character is the Vinay, who is going to
So one thing can be
with his
Gentlemen,
friends.
we can
So
see
as we
that
have
there is a
discussed
woman
that
role.
most of us
There
will
are
going to
things
have
are
talk
going
about
can see
around that.
One is
They are
the main
going
character.
to
Also, we can see there are several other
Four people will
The road is
characters
cracked.
as well.
Story
So
can
like
be
one character, the
They
central
will
character,
they
and
will
the
be
role
friends
regarding
as most of us have heard the story of
our
Mr.
aim is
Guys
to reach the road. I believe our aim is
we
to
should
reach
working
the
with
as
them.
there are
I think there are conflicts like the road is cracked and it is managed by
Gentlemen,
I would like to add
gentlemen, can we
Friends,
focus
we have
on
perceived the character
when
very
I
well
think
and
the road is managed by
Gentlemen,
next
I think we should fix the number of characters that we are going to
rescue
keep.
mission or some kind of an
every
awareness.
We can take one road as a
gentlemen,
company
you can see that the road is cracked. It was managed by several people. The managing part is done by my main
As we are
character.
seeing that
Who
most of us
managed
gentlemen,
the
if we
chaos
have
and
more
the
people, we can
position
either
of a
make
road.
the
Let's
recognition
continue with
We can
that.
move
or
on
either
from
as
from this particular point and
present or
We can
respond
add
for that
points
matter.
like he ordered his
Yes, I agree with
subordinate
that.
to
That
make a
we can
plan
make it
and
as a rescue
evacuate
mission, like managing the chaos due to the cracked road.
with his friends, and while going to their journey, they found that a
so
part of the road
so
is
adding
cracked.
on
news
adding on
about
to the
landslide
point, we
and
can
earthquake like
definitely move on from this
event in
particular point that yes, there is a broken road, and from that
Michael,
broken
don't
road
sit
we can
idle. Don't
Yes,
get too
Raj.
off.
like the
Raju, I
bridge was
agree with
broken.
you.
every
as
landslide
Rajiv
like
has
earthquake
said
and
that
other
we should
Focus
focus
on
on
Gentlemen,
making
making
the
as
the
things
road
what
happen
Harshal
in
was
safe.
already saying that we can
earthquake
take one
Mona
after
area
that
and
road
Andaman and other
we
places,
will
so we
get
can go
the
for to get the
biodegradable
landslide and
Continue.
rescue the
Gentlemen,
person from the landslide.
Gentlemen,
we can
don't
agree
look
that
like
we
this.
all
Clearly see that the road
we
is
all
broken.
agree
We
to the
can't
point
make
that
it
there is
as
a
a
broken
We need
road
that
and we have
Gentlemen,
a
since you have
managing
broken
the
already
people
deduced
from the
that the
cracked
road
road.
was
Going
broken,
to a
can
train
we move
station,
ahead with that and
uh,
frame the
then they
story?
are
Use
continuing
several
to
signs
continue
Raj,
on
it
the
is
I
train.
agree with
we
you.
when the
focus
road
on
was
that
We,
fine.
we
that
will
we
You
we
can
all
fix
see
the
agree
road
that
and
this
we
was
need
broken. We can move ahead.
environmental materials
Move on to the action of the
we can
story.
also
Travelers,
add
After having a
as
discussion
the
with
action
the
of the
friends,
story is
Michael,
going
don't look
like
they
off.
revolve
found
around
an
the
that
managing
we
the road cracked.
that we are preparing
Yes, yes,
we
please.
are preparing
Discuss with the
we are
subordinates
preparing the road
let them about the solution approach.
yes gentlemen, so let's move on from this particular point and shift to the
He
other
gather
point
the
of the
location
story.
of the
From the next
Michael,
part
he
of the
nothing.
story
gather
we
the
can
You're
location
see
of the
lost.
calamity point
what
and
we
give
can
it
do
Michael,
is
make
you're
that
them
we
and
lost.
divide
gathered
the
Don't
them
sit
and
everything
assign
idle.
the
and we
duties.
made a plan,
then
proper plan,
Sorry,
and
wait.
with that
Don't
plan
sit
completed,
still.
yes
he
gentlemen,
took some
very
materials
rightly said,
Aryan,
going to
and
what
take
adding
about
to the
was
point,
Gentlemen,
adding to the
we can
point
see
that
that
yes it
the
people
managing of
will
the
have
people
they
and the
also
roads are
agree
most
that
important
people
issue
will
is that
agree
where we
on
can
that
do
point,
is that
and then
we
they
can
agree
guys,
on
let
that
use
us
the
road
not
also
forget
administrative
we
help
can
about
and the NDRF help and the village people to
understood.
Gentlemen, since we are noticing that the road is broken, we can narrate one story
yes
based on the
Understood.
road.
Aditi,
like
go
how are
ahead.
we going to adding to
we
that
can agree on a
we can
common
also
point that the road is broke and
how
to
our
manage
story
that
will
road
go
we are
and
requiring a
we can
help
also
from
encounter
administrative department and
So
the
we can
NDRF
go
road
ahead and take
department.
we
action on
can
a
also
road.
when
Raju,
they
move
reached
good.
out
half
from the
of their
point that yes
destination, they found that
they
a
was
part of the
They
Gentlemen,
road
halt the
since
was
we
mission
have
that
broken.
they
already
aim
They
they
had
should
to
agreed
divide
that
the
the other
we
people
are
responsibility
who
going
are
to
to
rescue
the
mission, we can
two
take
we
that.
should
characters,
also add
and
some
after
points
having
like
a
when he
discussion with
was
And
some
making
also
the
local
road,
there,
Okay.
and
he
at the
was
end,
looking looking after all the
Okay,
dangers
after
and
having
Yes.
a discussion,
Yes.
they found
Also
that
provide food and
there is
medicine
an
to the
alternate
injured
route
people
there,
and also make
and they
peace
also
Guys,
and
stop.
calm them.
Guys, stop.
Now they were good. अभी तो बीच बीच में ना चुप होता है ना एकदम लॉस दिखने लगता है चुप 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 मैंने क्या बोला था कल नॉडिंग है ना एक मैंने चीज नहीं सिखाई थी कैसे कैसे बिहेव करना है नॉडिंग लिसनिंग वो नहीं आ रहा तेरा बोल रहा है फिर ऐसे लॉस के साथ ठीक है
Yes, sir.
कुछ Deepasanjan, you need a lot of practice. Michael, you are lost for most of the time. You have to come in. You have to jump in. Otherwise, you're out. Why? Aryan, good. Can be better a little bit. But ठीक है. More practice. Who all was there? Aditi, very good. Anush, very good. Ankit, okay, can be little better. Dheeraj, good. Rajiv, good. Karthik, Rajshekar, you are again getting lost. You were paused for more than 50 seconds. You know that?
Yes, sir.
You cannot be inactive. I'm telling you, you need not to speak continuously. You need not to be speaking continuously. You need to be actively involved, nodding, listening. You know, जैसे राजीव कर रहा था, चाहे जैसे अदिति कर रही थी, उसके चेहरे पे दिखेगा तुम्हें। समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है? अनुष जैसे कर रहा था, अनुष। ठीक है, कार्तिक, are you getting?
Yes, sir. I am getting, sir.
धीरज, ठीक है, थोड़ा और बेटर हो सकता है। Try to follow the better ones, like try to follow Anush, try to follow Aditi, है ना? And Rajiv, try to make it better. Facial expression, body language, getting the point?
सर बीच में कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था, इसलिए मतलब क्या? Yes,
तो मैं इससे क्या लेने देना? मैंने कल समझाया था ना, नहीं बने स्टोरी तो पार्टिसिपेट। तुम्हारे को मैं ही थोड़ी देख रहा हूँ कि तुम्हारी स्टोरी बन रही है कि नहीं। तुम्हारा मुझे एफर्ट देखना, एफर्ट। मुझे तुम्हारा बॉडी लैंग्वेज अच्छा चाहिए, मुझे तुम्हारे चेहरे पे एनर्जी चाहिए और तुम्हारा एफर्ट टुवर्ड्स मेकिंग अ स्टोरी। स्टोरी एंड में बनेगी, मैं बता रहा हूँ। कभी ऐसे स्क्रीनिंग इन देखा इसमें स्टोरी नहीं बनी हो?
sir.
ऐसा नहीं होगा। बहुत ही घटिया कोई ग्रुप होगा तो होगा, otherwise generally story will be formed. You don't worry about it. You worry about how you are going to conduct. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, ab rest of these people can switch off their video and rest of the people can switch on their videos. Jaldi. Switch on your videos. कहाँ गए यार तुम लोग? क्या हर्षल आ गया? बाकी लोग जल्दी आओ यार।
सर मैं लास्ट राउंड में था लेकिन मेरा वीडियो पता नहीं स्टक हुआ जा रहा है।
ठीक है, तो इस राउंड में आ जा। अनिकेत आ गया। बाकी कहाँ है? Those who are not in the first group, please switch on your videos. अभी
is my video visible?
Yeah, it's there. Where are the other guys? Ankit.
सर मेरा तो फर्स्ट ग्रुप में था, हो गया।
तो कौन बच गया है? जो बच गया वो वीडियो तो ऑन करो मुझे। चलो मानवेंद्र आ गया, ये आ गया। 3, 2, 1.
Gentlemen, I think that most.
Gentlemen,
we have found the problem.
Because we have to make the
that will help the people to go from one place to another place.
Removing the hole. So we have to make the non-entry boards. We have to make safety situations.
We need to come on to one point.
As Ashish is saying, we can make the bridge also there because the road is broken, so we have taken the form that civil engineering student had people who go from one place to another place. Also, they have evacuated people and also told them about the cautions that they can take in that place.
Yes,
Now,
I agree.
Sahil,
Damage
and
we can take the group
Sahil has already stated the point.
Yes, sir, you are right.
Yes, we can take the help of
So we can also take it okay that we have to make
Yes, exactly. So we can take the help of surrounding people to fix
Stop
the
here.
road.
Yes,
Right?
yes,
we
we can also take the
and
help
to
of
take
surrounding
the
people
help of
and
exactly,
then
but we have
Stop here. Stop here. Good, 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 good. Nice. अनुश्री बहुत अग्रेसिव हो गए थे शुरू में, ऐसे नहीं होना। आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज से लग रहा था लड़ने जा रहा है, ऐसा नहीं। इजी, काम फेस एंड जोश टाइप पार्टिसिपेशन। आदित्य तेरा फिर से मेरे को एनर्जी कम लग रहा है, मतलब पार्टिसिपेट तो कर रहे हैं, चेहरे पे वाइब्रेशन कम हो रहा है, डल डेड एक्सप्रेशंस, बी लिटिल मोर एक्सप्रेसिव, ट्राई टू। तेजस्विनी गोइंग ऑफ एंड ऑन, okay otherwise, but I think your voice was low. I was telling you increase your voice. थोड़ा सा you're getting
yes, sir.
lost in the crowd. आशीष तू बस
Yeah.
नॉडिंग करने में लगा हुआ था, बोल कुछ नहीं रहा था तू।
सर मैं सुन मतलब ऐसे बीच में एक जन का जो आइडिया ठीक लग रहा था उसको सुनने की कोशिश कर रहा था।
बोल तो सही ना, तू खाली सुनने के लिए थोड़े बैठा है यार। तू बोलेगा नहीं तो तेरा एक्चुअल बाहर नहीं आएगा, खाली नॉडिंग करता रहेगा ना तो वो समझ जाएगा कि ये
हाँ सर।
अनिकेत ठीक था बट थोड़ा और पार्टिसिपेशन, बोला कम है तूने। प्रिंस तू लगातार बोल रहा था और बोलने के बाद एकदम लॉस्ट बोल रहा था फिर एकदम लॉस्ट हो जा रहा था, बोलने के बाद सुन ना।
हाँ सर, वो आवाज एक्चुअली मुझे लगा तो मेरी एको आ रही है।
तुझे लग रहा है कि इससे कम क्यों होगा वहां पे?
नहीं सर, वहाँ ज्यादा रहता है सर।
फिर और कौन था? पायल गुड, ठीक है। थोड़ा सा माइनर मोनोटोनी इज देयर, कंटिन्यूअस स्पीकिंग मत कर, तू थोड़ा पॉज भी दे, लगातार बोल रही है ऐसे। स्पीक लिसन स्पीक लिसन, वेरिएट कर, थोड़ा सा नेचुरल वेरिएशन। साईं थोड़ा आवाज तेज कर, कॉन्फिडेंस लेके आ, डर मत।
Okay, sir.
कुछ डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। मनविंद्र वाज गुड, आई नो इश्यूज।
Sir, it's Sai.
परिश्रम वाज गुड। हाँ
Sai, not Sai.
सही गॉट इट।
Yes, sir.
परिश्रम गुड, बट तेरे चेहरा एकदम ब्लैक हो रखा है बिकॉज़ तूने लाइट पता नहीं कहाँ जला रखी है। आई
Yes,
कुड
sir.
नॉट
There
सी
is
योर
a
फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन।
there is
I
a
couldn't see
lighting
your
issue.
facial expressions much because light is somehow focused back on your backside, right? Rest everything was good. So I hope it was a nice experience. First one, not bad.
Yes, sir. So could you please
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, is my video even available? I guess
No,
it's stuck.
not available. It came and then it went off.
I'll fix it from
So
tomorrow.
guys, was it a good first experience at least?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I want you
Yes,
guys,
sir.
Yeah, it was good.
I want you guys to do this practice on your own. Anita, Major Anita will do it for you. She will do it in the class also. But आप अपने से शुरू हो जाओ, ठीक है ना? जितना आप बोलोगे, जितना आप ओपन अप करोगे, उतना आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा, उतना आपको क्लैरिटी मिलेगी। You know how it is to be done now. You have seen it practically how it is happening, right? Right. I will be now doing a GD with you. There also I will see to you. I'll be doing a GP session with you. But you start doing on your own, and then Anita madam will also start in 1 or 2 days. ठीक है? After my class, she will have her PPT sessions. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
But I hope you guys got the point, everyone. I hope everyone has to be screened in. There is no way that any one of you is getting screened out. Please promise to yourself, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Make
Yes,
sure
sir.
that you're going to go through the process and get recommended. अपने आप को बोलो ये बात, छोड़ो मत. Don't leave any stone unturned. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.
Yes, sir.
See you tomorrow. I will be sharing more pictures for you to write, and tomorrow we'll start with situation reaction test. ठीक है? Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Good
sir.
night,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Good night, sir.
Bye, sir.
Sir, thank you,
Bye.
sir.
भाई किसी की भोपाल पे एसएसबी है क्या? 16th of December.
नहीं भाई।
ओके यार।